big Spyderco. The military 2 salt. Four-inch DLC coated Magnacut blade. Nice kind of grippy G10 handles. Yeah, this is awesome. Big long Spyderco. Plenty of handles. This thing looks really cool, all blacked out. Black hardware, black handle, black pocket clip, black blade. Can I flick it? Yeah. Put a little gas on it. Yeah. Very cool. Got some oil or something on there. That's better. Now it's flat black. And this DLC coated Magnacut looks pretty good, I must say. Mess that up. There we go. Yeah, I like these military 2s. Super long. Lots of bleed. I thought it would be good to come outside and look at it in the sun. Very nice. Flip the pocket clip around to tip up carry. Flip it open. Let the sun shine on it. That black DLC looks cool. I was cutting up a little stick. Got a little marking on the blade, but just wiped it off with some spit in the bottom of my t-shirt. Most of it cleaned off pretty good. Alright, maybe we should do some size comparisons. Here it is compared to a little native. Here it is compared to a watering can. Here it is compared to a bulb of garlic. Here it is compared to a cookie. Here it is compared to a meat stick. Here it is compared to a John Wayne magnet. Here it is closed next to a tape measure. Here it is open next to a tape measure. Here it is with the tape measure open. Here it is next to a line of chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup's a little over 9.5 inches. Here it is next to a spoon of ice cream. I just wanted to come over here and cut up this stick a little. When I started recording this, I was at 499 subscribers. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who subscribes, watches my strange videos. I have a box I want to open at 500 subs, so if you don't want me to open that box and troll me, don't subscribe. But yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate everyone who subscribes. Yeah, this military 2 is pretty awesome. Be a nice addition to the Spyderco collection. Hope you're having a good day, and thanks for watching.